What is cracking, YouTube family? Welcome to the vlog. It's not so warm, it's a little bit cold, but it's fresh, the sun is out, and yeah, it's just a good end to the week. Like, it's been a stressful week altogether trying to chase down these ghost ropes. We finally got hold of them, and yeah, we're now kind of on top of things. So I want to say a massive thank you again to everyone who just bought these ropes, stayed patient, and just supported me and made sure that I didn't get kind of overwhelmed with everything and I was getting a little bit super stressed on holiday, and I think you guys noticed that in my last vlog. And yeah, Gigi and I really appreciate it, so thank you for that. We're just gonna roll with the day, keep the camera rolling, and take you along for the ride as always. So sit back, relax, and hope you guys enjoy the video. Here back at Mornington Crescent. It is about 3 p.m. now. Hopefully you can hear me. It's about 3 p.m. now. Went to get my trim, aka haircut. Ended up waiting there for about 3 hours. They were super busy today. But we got cut by a new person. Normally I go to my cousin's place. He's got his own chair in his house, but today he was super busy and I really need to get a haircut. So haircut done, I'm gonna go back home and get back to working with Gigi, get all the orders out. And then tonight we're going to be back here, around about here into Central London. Warm up. Oh my gosh, it is so cold right now. Quickly want to take this time to kind of discuss about quick plans going forward. So I'm just been trying to get my feet back on the ground since coming back from holiday. Obviously catching up with orders, catching up with a lot of admin, a lot of Amazon admin. What I really want to do is get structure in my days, and then also kind of get a pattern of uploads for YouTube. So getting my tutorials and workouts and vlogs. So I'm going to be aiming for at least 2 to 3 videos a week. I'm trying to plan something towards like a Monday, Wednesday and Friday upload, but we'll see how it goes. Other than that, we then have to start planning launches. My next launch will be maybe Black Friday, Christmas. I'm going to have to again re-release the ghost ropes, because what we did is when we had the inventory go missing, I had to basically cut all the sales from the website. I took it off the website completely, so right now it's showing that it's out of stock. So I've got to bring that back out. Got a couple of new colorways coming as well for Christmas. I've got the new clothing, which I'm going to show you very soon. Really excited about that. And yeah, that's just the kind of small bits and pieces that I've got to start to do. Legacy 10-foot what?
Legacy 10-foot black and yellow.
Shit. Where is that box? These are so tightly packed. 3, 2, 1. Boom. Gigi working hard, as always. Nice and neat, babes.
You try to work here, okay?
Oh, I'm tripping up on everything. Alright, to quickly show you this, because I don't think I've shown you this on camera. Let me spin it around. It's our limited edition packaging for the ghost rope. Spent a lot of time on this, guys. Because this is a limited edition rope, I felt like we needed to have a new packaging or sort of new style. So we've gone for this foil print. So as you kind of tilt it in the light, you get that shine. We've got this signature as well. Limited edition, new image. It's clean. It's proper clean. This rope is so clean. So a lot of you have already been buying 2s and 3s. Some of you told me that you're not even going to open it. So big up to all you peeps. And if you do open it and do use the rope, minor. This rope just looks sick on videos as well. So yeah, we're kind of rushing around, but we're up to date nearly now. So that goes in there. Wanted to also show you up and coming releases. Look at this. We've got a transparent blue and black speed rope, money rope. So we've got the heavy rope version of this. The legacy rope does come in blue as well and black, but that's going to be for the future. Then we're going to bring out this fire money rope. So, well, I'm not calling it fire. I don't know what should we call this black and orange one, babe?
Lava.
Lava. Yeah, what else to show you? Nothing else, just mess. So I always show you mess in this place. But it's taking shape. It's still gonna take shape. One day we're gonna get it all clean. Catch. Nice. Yes, folks, it is now 8:30. Made our way back into London, got all the orders out. Super cold. We're about to meet a couple of cool folks that you've seen on this channel before. Let's see what they're saying right now. Here they are. Oh, look who's here, look who's here. I just saw these guys here.
You're with them?
Yo!
My man.
How's it going? Alright, good to meet you, mate. Rush. How you doing, man? Nice to meet you. Good to see you. Yes, Dick. What you saying, man? Good surprise, man.
Give it to me.
How you doing?
How you doing,
You
man?
good?
Great to see you.
Good to see you, good to see you.
How are you doing? Great to see you.
Give some love, man.
How you doing, man?
See you, man.
What's going on?
All good. Let's check this out, people. Shisha with GG Athletics. Hey, look who is it? Mr. Brandon. JRD, say what's up. Say what's up to YouTube. The main man Declan as well. Man, what a crew. And everyone's got chicken as well, I like that as well, it's nice. And I got my lentil soup. With a Tabasco sauce, man. There's me with my mint tea. Nice one. I know you got the moves, man. Check it out, daily average here with my boy Dan.
Yeah, as you can see by my phone, I'm less addicted to Instagram than Rushy, so I would like you to comment below.
Look at that, Sunday. You got God's Day, that is Sunday.
Yeah.
Man.
The Wednesdays get a little
2 hours. What am I doing on a Monday? I don't even know what happened. Monday is just mental, man. You be right getting home?
Hey, we're getting on the tube, mate.
The tube, yeah? The tube. Right, guys, I think you need to go that way. I'm going this way. Safe.
Yep.
Peace out. Laters. Peace out. Tomorrow, bright and early, yeah? Yeah. Don't stay out too late. Yes, family. Welcome to the next day. Super excited, super pumped. Today is the JRD meetup in Hyde Park. So last night we got a chance to catch up with the boys. Let me get into some light here. Last night we got a chance to catch up with the boys. Went into, it's a bit too bright here now, shit. Cool vibes as always with the boys. Yeah, we got back in at around about 2 AM. Had a little bit of sleep, and then now I'm ready to roll. We're meeting them at 12 o'clock at Hyde Park, it was going to be the same location where I did my meetup. And I think they're going to get a really cool turnout. So I'm keeping the camera rolling. Really want to document what happens today and just share the love and support the boys. And I just see this community growing and growing every single day, and with their like kind of energy and vibe, the way they push it on their side and the way we're pushing it, we're changing the game, guys. And I'm just glad that we've got this kind of collaborative kind of feel with these guys, and it's not kind of that rivalry and bad hate and vibe and negativity and all that kind of stuff. Like, I'm not all about that. Right, so the plan of action is get some breakfast quickly, pack my ropes, make sure I've got everything that I need, and then we're going to see where the day takes us. So yeah, sit back, relax. Welcome to day 2. We're about 10 minutes out, a little bit late. A lot of traffic, the trains are all messed up where we live, so decided to drive it. But yeah, super hyped, super pumped. I reckon these guys are going to have an awesome turnout. Check this out, folks. They've got so many people here, it is mad. I love it. Wow, check this out. Oh man, it's so cool, man. I need to get this workout. I'm like, they're sweating. They're sweating. What's up, guys?
What's up, guys?
Sweating on people.
What's up, my bro?
What is up? Wow. Incredible, man. Incredible. I'm so pleased with these guys. Look what they've done. Look what they made. They're just taking over Hyde Park here. They're proper taking over. Oh my god.
Alright, we're going down.
I'm not stripping down like I'm taking as long as I can, so they like finish the whole thing. I'll do a workout. Mr. Al Douglas. Mr. Rush. Let's get you on the YouTube. Hey. Man. What we got here, man? Let's show you this guy's moves. He's actually just. I mean, he's just out of breath. He's doing moves. He's doing moves. I don't think I've seen anyone else do. You got some like energy left in the bank.
Maybe.
I miss you, man. Check this guy's moves. This is it. Spinneroonies. Side swing doubles. Round the back doubles. Love it. With the release.
Keep jumping.
Keep jumping, man. Keep flying.
Keep jumping, keep having fun.
Yo, yo, yo. What is good, peeps? We're now Sunday. Somehow this vlog has stretched over 3 days. Hopefully it's not gonna be too long, but one awesome evening. Like, it was super cool. Ran out of battery, unfortunately, so I couldn't really like shoot too much, but we had a great time. Went for a curry down in Brick Lane. Yeah, the JRD boys had a great time as well, I hope. What a crazy kind of vibe yesterday. Like, Hyde Park was kicking. These guys absolutely smashed it. Let's go, let's go. So I'm gonna enter my website. Check this little rhino that Gigi bought actually from Kenya. It's quite nice. I'm not gonna lie, people. I feel a little bit embarrassed that I'm always showing you guys mess in my office, in my gym. And this was clean like a few weeks ago. I promise you it was clean. This is such a pain to put on. Yeah. No. Alright, let's get into the topic of this video. This is long. Okay, so let's get into... Is it straight? Let's get into the topic of this video. And yeah, it's not clickbait. It's not like something that I want to end this video. I don't want to end this video. Basically, I don't want to end this video on a negative note. Actually, it's the contrary. Like, I want to end this video on a super positive note. What we experienced this weekend, first and foremost, was exactly like what I love so much about this community. How kind of amazing it is to be able to create content for the world, to help motivate, to help inspire, and just to promote positivity. And there's so many good factors around this community which I love to bits. Like, everyone involved, like nearly everyone involved, has a super good heart, super big heart, warm, kind, everything else. Then you get these companies who are out there on Insta, who are not even kind of 2 minutes old. They come on there and just trying to disrupt kind of that positive vibe. It's just something I need to bring up because it just highlights how silly, how backwards thinking some brands can be. And what happened is I got a message from a supporter, one of my crew, and they said, you know, I'm gonna call this brand X. This brand X has somehow put a post up trying to go after Crossropes and myself. So they've put a post up on their Instagram page with the picture of the Crossrope, picture of the money rope, and they're talking about how the Crossropes are way too expensive, they're this, they're that, the money rope is this and they're that. They've picked up a review or two of Amazon and they've screenshotted it, a negative review, and they're basically trying to highlight and push all this negativity around our brand, especially my brand, and they're trying to build sales up on their kind of platform or on their rope. I saw this post when the sort of follower sent it to me. I saw it, and I'm not gonna lie, guys, I was super outraged. Like, even though this brand has nowhere near the following that I have, nowhere near their kind of brand exposure, nowhere near the kind of community, this is the reason why it kind of really bothered me, because I myself feel like I've put blood, sweat and tears into this channel, into this brand, and I myself consider myself as a personal brand, which means that products like the money rope, the legacy rope, these are products that are super close to me because, you know, I've worked hard to get them out to people, to make it accessible, to work 2 jobs day in, day out for countless hours for the last 2-3 years on this channel, to build a community and to help people lose weight, feel good about their fitness, feel good about life, give them business knowledge, give them business experience that I'm going through. And this guy has come out of nowhere to try and, one, it's a form of sabotage. 2, like, he's just disrespecting like my work, everything that is all about me. And I just feel like things like this are not good for the community, because the community is so positive. Like I said, it's going in the right direction. It's a new market, really like a new market, and like, it's filled with just good people and brands like this who have, you know, he's not built a community, he's not put in the hours, he's not even a guy that's ready to be in front of camera and spend the time editing, spend the time packaging, spend the time with customers, with like everything. It's just, he doesn't get it, and I want to make sure that you guys do. Like, a part of me really like didn't want to bring this out on camera, didn't want to talk about it. A lot of my friends were saying, listen, you're way above it, you don't need to respond to this guy. And to be fair, I didn't make a post, I didn't really write anything, I didn't tag them, I didn't expose it in any kind of way. But what I'm trying to bring out here is that, you know, I know I'm not stupid. Like, you know, business can be like this, you know, there's no friends in business as well at the same time. There's going to be kind of sharks out there, there's going to be guys who are trying to hunt and trying to, you know, grab these kind of market shares and trying to grab consumers, grab my followers, or grab my whatever it is. I know that's going to happen. I'm not naive, I'm not stupid. This cat doesn't know what it means to work hard. This is a real form of like just lazy form of marketing, lazy form of trying to move people from the money rope, get them onto his rope. Really poor way to sort of brand his product. I guess I just really wanted to bring this up just simply because I wanted to get it off my chest. I want to be transparent with you guys. I want to let you know what's happening in the background. It's not a massive deal, like it's not like I lost loads of followers or something like this. It wasn't major or anything like that, but what was major was that this guy doesn't respect the work that's been put in. He's not respecting my product. I would never bring a bad product out to people that, you know, just for the sake of money, just for the sake of profits or whatever it is. Like, he doesn't know the work that's gone in. Yeah, I've got to live with it. I think it's not going to be the last person or the last thing that last kind of negative thing that's going to be upon us. By me doing this, has the guy won? Has he somehow got what he wanted, which is to kind of rile me up? And I think I am riled up, just like I said, because it is personal to me. Is that I'm not just a CEO of a company and going home and taking my paycheck and living a happy life. Like, this is my life now. These ropes, these products, they are my life. So when someone goes after them or those like things, they're going after me. Like, it's me. So it's part of me. If that kind of makes sense. Like, this is just super cool. Like, this is amazing fuel for me. Like, if this guy is watching, big up yourself, sir. Big respect, because if you don't know me, now you are, because doing stuff like this is only going to make me more stronger. It's going to make me more motivated. And I love haters. I do genuinely love haters. As much as they kind of can wind you up, they are the fuel for my fire. So yeah, if you're in that position and people are talking shit, trying to pull you back, trying to stop you from doing what you want to do, yeah, you know your worth, you know your power. Just push on, don't look back, don't listen to them, and just do you. So listen, I'm going to close out the vlog there. Please leave a comment down below if you have any thoughts on what I've just brought up, and yeah, I'm going to see you for the next one. So without further ado, take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe, peace.